Hello, my name is Jaime, and in this video we are going to check the specification of project 1 called nights. Okay, to do that we are going to go to the folder of nights and we are going to open a terminal. Then we are going to run the program, and the next step is to check if these results are correct or not. So first, puzzle 0, the character A says that I am both a knight and a knave. Like, we know if one character can be at the same time a knight and a knave, so we know that A is a knave. Here we have that A is a knave. Okay, so then the puzzle 1. In the puzzle 1 we have two characters, A and B. A says we are both knave and B says nothing. If A is a knight, and then A is a knave and B is a knave too. But like, we know that A is a knight, so then it's impossible to be a knight. So A is a knight, then A is a knave, and B must be a knight because this sentence is false. If we are going here, we see that A is a knight and B is a knight, so the puzzle is correct. Then puzzle 2, we have two characters. A says we are the same kind. It says that A is a knight, A and B are a knight or a knave, and B says we are of different kinds. So if A is a knight, then it means that B is a knight too, but B says that we are different kinds, so B cannot be a knight. Then we know that B is a knight, we are of different kinds, and A is a knave because this is false. If we go here, we say that A is a knight and B is a knight, so it's correct. And the last puzzle, the puzzle 3, has three characters. A says either I am a knight or I am a knave, but you don't know which. B says I said I'm a knave. B then says she is a knave, and C says that A is a knave. Okay, A doesn't matter at the moment which character it is. So B, if B is a knight, we know that A. Okay, now if B is a knave, we know that he is lying. So A cannot be a knave. It must be a knight. And B says that C is a knave. Like, if B is a knave, we know that this sentence is false, so C is a knight. And C says that A is a knight. And this sentence we have seen that it's true here. So if we go here, we say that A is a knight, B is a knave, and C is a knight. So the 4 puzzles are correct.